Good morning, students. Today you will learn the phonic sound of letter A to D. A. A says a, apple. B. B says b, ball. C. C says k, cat. D. D says d, dog. Let's repeat once again. A says a, apple. B says b, ball. C says k, cat. D says d, dog. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.